Go!
What is up? Welcome. It's Spasmodic Dysphonia exercises for people with muscle tension dysphonia and all kinds of weird stuff. These are very helpful for probably everything. So I'm going to say one exercise that you literally can't do too much. You won't hurt yourself. You won't injure yourself. It is the straw. See, this is special to me. This has sentimental value. This is a former whiskey bottle. It's a bottle of whiskey, and it's a metaphor for I don't have to have whiskey to improve my voice, and it's using a whiskey bottle. If I could give advice, I would say use for the straw technique. If you use the same thing, have it mean something to you, because all of this ultimately means something to you. Means doing everything you can to fight this and have your voice back. So, straw technique, basic effect of effective speaking. Postures first. Your posture should be straight, as I was slouching saying that. So, see, I'm a student myself. Posture should be straight as if a string extends from the top of your head down to your toes. Sits right here. I just pull it up. Just reframes everything. Breathing, the best technique is to breathe from the lower abdominal region. Wow, I need this today. Keep your airflow smooth and connected. Your energy, support your sound by using increased energy and low abdominal supports. This does not mean louder. Pitch, find the optimal pitch by saying as if politely agreeing with someone. Warm-ups with this. We're going to glide up from your comfortable low pitch to your comfortable high pitch on who. So it's... Remember, we're going to keep this light and easy. I'm going to do 2 just to practice. Close. All right. Now it counts. This is 1. 2, 3, 4, 5. Remember, you're going to want to feel this in your mask. So you want to feel the buzz, lips, nose, that whole area. That was 7, 8, 9. That is 10. Now, we're going to glide down from the comfortable high pitch to the comfortable low pitch, also in who. Remember, light and easy with 10, and keep your breath in the mask. That was a practice. This is also a practice. Okay, we're going to count to 10. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. That would be 10. Okay. Light and easy. That's good. And we didn't punch at the beginning there either. 3. This is the complete Mino, up and down, like mini sirens. More of a conversational pitch with who. We're going to do 10 of these. I'm going to do 2 practice. That's good. Okay, conversational who. That's 2. That's 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. That would be 10. Nice job. Now we are going to hum a descending mini glide. Think sigh, forward focus. To feel the important thing is you feel the vibration, you feel the humming that should carry over the remaining of exercise. This is what creates the resonant voice. So we're going to hum here to practice. It's very similar to the Who, actually. Okay, now we're going to go up and down with this. We got 10. 2. 3. 4. 5. 6. 7. That is 8. 9. 'That would be 10. Remember, you can keep this by your favorite chair when you're watching TV, during a commercial, whatever. Do some humming. Do some. This basically just serves as focusing everything in here, and it kind of forces you to, because you're pushing all of your air through that straw. Pretty simple, isn't it? Okay. Thanks, guys. I'll see you tomorrow.